This is where every quail egg begins its journey.
Watch each quail egg roll gently from the cage to collection.
Even with automation, careful hands ensure each quail egg is perfect.
Every quail egg begins its journey toward the factory line here.
The quail egg production journey.
Every journey begins where precision farming meets scale. Each egg is produced under controlled, monitored conditions. Human oversight ensures consistency from the very start. Automation begins the moment the egg is laid. From farm to factory, the process flows without pause. Fresh quail eggs are prepared for immediate transport. Speed and care protect every quail egg during transit. Controlled handling keeps quail eggs stable and secure. Temperature control preserves quail egg quality. The quail egg processing journey enters the factory floor.
This facility is designed to process millions of quail eggs every day.
Every quail egg enters under strict handling protocols.
The quail egg processing line begins with controlled intake.
Please. Initial checks safeguard quail egg quality from the first step. Please.
From entry to sanitation, quail eggs move without interruption. Quail eggs undergo their first sanitation stage.
Gentle mechanical brushing cleans every quail egg evenly. Rinsing removes remaining impurities from each quail egg.
Only approved quail eggs move forward in the process.
Cleaned quail eggs are now ready for core processing.
Only the best quail eggs proceed forward.
Every quail egg is carefully inspected before packaging.
Sealing keeps every quail egg safe for delivery.
Every pallet of quail eggs is checked for safety and stability.
Quail eggs are loaded safely, ready for delivery.
And this is how quail eggs reach markets safely, from our farm to your table.